Good morning, YouTube. My name is Minty. Welcome to the channel. I'm here with Vamp. We are actually watching Luis Mora. He is a skating YouTuber, and frankly, I've been liking his content. The episode we're watching is about a game show in Japan called Kasso. Kasso is, I guess, like a skateboarding Japanese game show. Kasso is the equivalent of like Wipeout, but with skateboarders. So they have obstacles that they have to do. And avoid wiping out to continue on to the next round. It's a really cool show, and I really always have loved Japanese game shows. Their concepts are always so unique and so fun compared to some of the American game shows. But that's what we're doing now. I'm not really sure what we're going to do the rest of the day. It's still pretty, and honestly, it's only going to get worse. It's going to be snowing for the next, I think, 10 hours or so. So we're just going to get constant snow, up to 21 inches, and it's an all-time record for Kansas City, but it looks like for the most part the roads are clear, no one's going out.
Ted, you ready? Perfect. Go, bathroom. Go outside. No. Going? Okay. Go back instead.
It's been way too long. If I can lay it down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay it down beside you, I would.
Just fucking going. Little. You could not see. It went all the way up here.
Looks pretty warm outside.
Yeah, it looks pretty warm.
Probably sweating, huh?
And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do.
We're still playing some Undertale, but I took a little break right now. I'm in the DJ. I actually have classes tomorrow, but with this in mind, I don't think I'll be able to make it. But anyways, currently just doing mixing, trying to figure out how to properly transition songs and stuff. We got this Denon DJ Go. It's awesome, self-powered, so it runs off its own batteries, and it'll run for 4 hours. And I can plug it in and have these simple Pebble speakers and my Mac there, but that's just from
What I need and that ain't changing. If I can lay down beside you, I would.
the flag is gone.
When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.
Alright guys, it is near end of day. Everything's still pretty much snowed in. It's going to continue snowing, and we're expecting another, I believe, 8 inches overnight. The roads are pretty bad as of now, and the city issued one of those phone warnings just to not leave even the city is having issues providing emergency services now. So that is it for today, guys. Hope you have a phenomenal day. If you're getting hit by this storm in other parts of town and this, in Kansas City or in other parts of the world, parts of the U.S., be safe out there, guys, and thank you guys for watching.
All right. See. 9. Jesus. A foot.